What is that loud noise coming from the front doors?
Stop right there. You cannot leave the store yet. That boy in the yellow shirt just stole something from us. Look at all these people staring right at us right now.
I did not steal anything, I promise you, Mom and Dad. Everyone is looking at me like I am a bad person.
Open that backpack right now so I can check every pocket. Do not accuse my son like that without any actual proof. Show us the evidence before you make a public accusation. The security gate never lies when someone walks past it.
It is going to be okay, sweetie. Mommy is right here with you.
Why are all these strangers shouting at my big brother?
More workers are walking over to see what is happening.
I wonder what is inside that little boy's backpack.
I want to go home right now. I am so scared.
Let's open the bag right here so everyone can see the truth. Let us see what you have hidden inside this school bag.
Pulling out notebooks, pencils, and a small water bottle onto the counter.
Checking every single item inside the plastic grocery bags.
The whole crowd is watching every single move the employee makes. There is absolutely nothing stolen inside any of these bags.
Wait a minute, why is there nothing missing from the shelves? Hold on, I just found out why the alarm went off earlier. Look at this unpaid anti-theft tag stuck inside this lunchbox lid.
The cashier forgot to deactivate this tag when it was scanned.
The receipt clearly proves they bought and paid for this item.
Does this mean everyone finally knows I am not a thief?
See, I told you the truth would come out very soon.
An apology is definitely needed after all this public embarrassment. I am so sorry for making such a terrible mistake today. Please forgive me for accusing you without checking the facts first.
The crowd starts to relax and smile as the tension fades. As the manager, I take full responsibility for this unfortunate error. We want to give you this special gift to make up for today.
Thank you very much, and I accept your apology and your gift. I am just happy that everyone knows I am a good boy.
The supermarket goes back to its normal, cheerful shopping routine.
Let us pick up our bags and head home for dinner now.
holding Dad's hand tightly while walking out to the sunny parking lot.
Walking together toward our car under the warm afternoon sun.
Everyone hop inside the car. Let's drive to the fresh market.
Buckling up my seatbelt while feeling much better now. Driving down the sunny street toward the local vegetable market.
Pulling into the parking space right in front of the green market.
Stepping out of the car to pick out fresh dinner ingredients. Look at all these fresh and colorful vegetables on display.
Mom, can we get this big green lettuce for our salad tonight?
These red tomatoes look so juicy and perfect for our soup.
Can we also buy some sweet purple grapes for dessert tonight?
Here is the money for all these wonderful fresh vegetables.
Thank you very much, sir. Enjoy your healthy family dinner.
Carrying our heavy bags of fresh food back to the car trunk. Cruising down the road as the afternoon sun begins to set. Pulling into our driveway and turning off the car engine.
Welcome back home, everyone. And I am so hungry right now.
Taking off our shoes and putting our bags down in the hallway.
Let's take all these fresh vegetables right into the kitchen. Washing my hands clean before helping Dad prepare the dinner ingredients.
Let's soak all this fresh lettuce and tomatoes in clean water.
I am helping wash every single leaf nice and clean. Splashing a little water while rinsing off the clean tomatoes. Dad is cutting up the onions for the delicious soup base. Here is a clean towel for you whenever you need it, Dad.
Mom and Lily are busy cooking the main course over the stove.
Stir the soup gently so the delicious flavors mix together nicely.
It smells so wonderfully delicious in here right now. I will set the dining table for all 4 of us. Putting a fork and spoon next to every single plate on the table.
Careful, the soup bowl is still very hot and fresh. Look at this amazing homemade dinner we made together as a family.
Sitting down together in our comfortable dining chairs for dinner.
Let us take a moment to be thankful for our wonderful family.
This hot soup tastes so good after such a long afternoon. These sweet carrots are my absolute favorite part of the meal.
Mike did an amazing job washing all these fresh vegetables today.
Thank you, Dad. and I am really glad I could help out.
What happened today taught us an important lesson about staying calm.
Even when people make mistakes, patience and honesty always win in the end.
Never judge someone too quickly without seeing all the facts first.
I understand now why we should always stay calm during misunderstandings.
Sharing funny stories and laughing together makes the food taste even better.
I love eating these sweet grapes with my big brother.
Finishing up the last few bites of our wonderful family meal.
Let us carry our dirty dishes back to the kitchen sink.
Stacking the plates into the dishwasher while cleaning up the crumbs.
The kitchen looks completely clean and tidy once again.
Time to brush our teeth before getting ready for bed. Squeezing just enough toothpaste for a thorough brush. Brushing my teeth up and down to keep them bright and healthy. Look at all the bubbly white foam on my toothbrush. Rinsing my mouth out with fresh, clean water.
Drying my face with a warm towel before bedtime.
Walking back into my cozy bedroom to change into my pajamas. Changing into these soft pajamas feels so relaxing right now.
Are you ready to hear a nice bedtime story tonight?
Yes, Mom. I am all tucked in and ready to listen.
Sleep tight, my wonderful boy. You handled today so bravely.
Good night, Mom. I love you very much.
Turning off the bedside lamp as the room settles into peaceful darkness. Sweet dreams to everyone as a peaceful night begins.